Yo, my viewers, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be driving from Obosi, then we'll be driving the new Niger Bridge, and we're gonna get to Asaba. So stay tuned and you'll be surprised what you see on this road. I will not say anything, I will let you be the judge. So watch till the end. Alright. Another thing you should expect is one-way drivers. If you're applying this road, you have to be aware, because look at this car coming and on my right, so it's a one-way driver, so you have to expect it. So when you're driving, you should know the level of speed that you maintain. Just maintain one speed. It is 60, 80, 100. But for me, I think 80 is okay. 80, 100 is okay. So this is the toll gate. I know most of you in the diaspora have not seen this, so look at it. This is it. So there's no toll, right? Because you can still, pass freely. It's not really working right now. You can see how we are passing it. So this is how it's been for now. We are expecting to these tools to commence, but it's still the federal government that would speak on it, because this bridge is actually supported by federal government, Anambra State and Delta State. So 3 of them financed this project, right? So if you don't know that, now you know. So for me, I love this bridge, but I think the government should provide more security, right? There should be more security around this route, okay? So people will feel more comfortable, driving as well. That's it for me. So if you have anything you feel like the government needs to do, you should leave it in the comment section, okay? Because all your contributions will go a long way, for people to actually know what it feels like to drive on this road. And if you have had any experience on this road, also leave it in the comment section. Tell us your view, and we would like to hear from you. All right. Yes, if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and also like this video and leave a comment below. And don't forget to share this to many of your siblings, cousins, bosses, so they can feel what it feels like to drive in the new Niger Bridge. If you're coming from Obosi to Asaba, you get to feel it. It's a feeling, okay? So share this, and if you're still not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. I love you. See you on my next video.